Hi everyone, I'm Smith Obela from West Coast College under Renewable campus. This is our solar farm with 4 different roof structures. And then let me take you through. This is our thermal water heaters, and also here we're having the different roof structures. And this is where we are producing our renewable energy, supplying the battery room. Let me take you through our battery room. This is our 10 kilowatt hybrid system with an lithium-ion batteries supplying the lights and socket outlets, and also supplying the electrical fans, and also the alarm here for the electrical fans, also the computer rooms. Currently I'm busy with my task for the WorldSkills competition local heat at Fredenberg campus, West Coast College. And let me show you what I'm currently busy with. This is my 5 kilowatt inverter. It's a grid tied, supplying the socket outlets and the lights also. Right now I'm currently busy. I have to finish up. Now I'm done with my task for the WorldSkills 2025 local heat at West Coast College, Renewable campus. Here I'm having my 5 kilowatt grid tied inverter supplying the socket outlets and the light from our ACDB, and also we are having here our PV input from the modules. These modules are each produces 18 volts max power, and then here we are having how many? We are having 11 modules. We are having 11 modules. They are producing about 240 volts, and then they are supplying the DC combiner box, and from the DC combiner box we are having our DC trunking supplying our inverter, and from our inverter we are having our AC trunking supplying the house. Hi everyone, my name is John Savete, the facilitator for renewable energy. Today we are hosting a local heat competition for 2025 at Fredenberg campus. Over here, my student who is competing, who is a competitor for the competition. Over here, he's got his test project that he has just recently completed. I must compliment him, he's been a very good candidate. So he's still in the process of developing, of course. So this is the first stages of his competition, but he has done very well, I must say. So over here, he's got a beautiful installation of the test project that we have been given. And our duty, along with my other colleagues, is to actually just develop him and make sure that he's competent and against all the given criteria that have been set up as per rubric expectations. So that's just about it, and we are in our solar farm over here. And as part of these preparations, he's been involved with a much more complex hybrid system that is powering up these facilities, the computer rooms to be specific, and the fans here. He will show you later on of what he has constructed in terms of the hybrid system that we are currently also having. It's a much more complex system than what we are currently having now, but for today he's having his test project, local heat 2025 in Fredenberg campus, and this is his project. Thank you so much, Mr. Biela, for being involved and being a very effective student. We will wish you all the best for today. Yes. Thank you.